Hi friends, something a bit different. I haven't had anything to blow up this week so far, so I'm just working at home. Today we're going hunting for a really nasty pest. I really have a morbid dislike for feral animals and invasive species. And today we're going to go after Vespula Germanica, the German wasp, or the European wasp, or you Americans know it as the yellow jacket. Quite a nasty piece of work. They became established in Australia in the 1980s and they're a very serious pest. And I hate them in my yard, so we're going to fix them up. I've given them 2 doses of the prescribed powder pesticide, which hasn't really done much. So we need to try something different, and I'm going to suck them up and catch them. See how many we can get in the bucket. I reckon about 200 out of this nest. Anyway, so we're going to suck them through this big long piece of tube, which is connected to a big long hose, which travels a safe distance. Over to here. We're going to suck them through a cyclone separator, a clear one, a clear view one, made by Bill Pence in America. Lovely piece of work. Into a plastic bucket which has got about 100 ml of soapy water in it, and it's all powered by the mother of all vacuum cleaners here. Alright, we'll hook it up and we'll give you a bit of a look close up at them coming and going first, then we'll hook it up and suck them up. This is the little standoff delivery tool. What I did, I put a tissue wad in there, put some powder in there, another tissue wad, stuck it on the end, pushed it down towards the mouth of the hole, and blew through it from 4 metres away, safe distance, I reckon. Yeah, it's worth a try. Now, if this will stay on here, we'll be doing all right. Looks like it might not. I know that might do. Alright, we'll give that a crack. Yeah, so the dust was ineffective. We'll have to try something else. Alright, let's take a close-up look. Alright. Let's hope these little turds don't ping me while I'm doing this. I really don't need a sting at the moment. Let's start her up. quite a few of them going for a spin in there now. Hope they end up down in the bucket fairly soon. That'd be good. Otherwise they're all going to build up in the cone, and that could be quite embarrassing. Okay, back again. It's Friday. I sucked up these wasps for about 4 or 5 hours yesterday until it was dark. Stuck it on again this morning. I've caught a few more, but the number is definitely down. Anyway, I'm going to pack it up now because the rain's coming. So I'm going to suck a bit of soapy water through the cyclone before I pack it up to try and give it a little wash internally because it's pretty pukey. And just to, you know, in case there's more wasps in the bucket than water, when I open it, it could be fairly interesting. So I'll just suck some water through it and then we'll open it. Okay, I'm going to pour out the contents of the bucket through a little sieve and see what we've got. Now this has got to happen fairly quickly, I think, because I'm a bit concerned about this. One of the features of these little feral invaders is when you harass them or swat them or whatever, they give off a very potent alert pheromone which very quickly attracts lots of their friends. And they attack you. Believe me, I know. A bit like some of the other feral invaders we have in this country of the two-legged sort, you know. They get into an altercation with you, and if they don't get their way before you know it, they text their 5 brothers and 43 cousins and they're all on you. So I'll quickly empty this and wash off the soap and we'll have a look at what we've got. Got a lot of soap. Yeah, there's quite a few wasps in there, man. Wow. Wow, there's a lot. I like to get some more water. Well, there we go, boys and girls. I don't know how many's there, but there's a lot. I was going to count them, but I don't think I will. Yeah, look at that. Well, that's that many won't be stinging me. Not only do they sting you, but they predate on other insects very seriously, especially bees. And we need bees, we don't need these. So, hasta la vista, baby. So, there's a lot of wasps to count here, and I've had to do this inside now on the kitchen table. Good thing the wife's not home. There's too many to count, so I counted 100, and that comes in at 11 grams. So I'll tip the rest on and see what that comes out to. Okay, there's the pile. We've got 155 grams. That works out to 1,409 wasps. How about that?